Welcome back. You're with us on the newsroom. First it was BSP Supremo Mayawati. Now it is Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal, who's raised a question on the validity of electronic voting machines. He's saying everyone's voting Modi. Remember, Kejriwal didn't say a thing when the AAP won 67 seats in Delhi. That time he thought EVMs are good and they're solid and they're strong. This time though, because his party got routed in Punjab, Kejriwal is alleging that AAP votes mysteriously got transferred to the Akhalis. The BJP is laughing it off. The EC is rejecting the charge outright.
अगर लोगों का चुनाव के ऊपर से भरोसा मिट गया तो जनतंत्र ही नहीं बचेगा। अगर ईवीएम्स के अंदर गड़बड़ हो सकती है तो फिर तो चुनाव को कोई मतलब ही नहीं है।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal launches a fierce attack on the BJP, claiming that rigged electronic voting machines could be behind his party's stunning debacle in Punjab.
आम आदमी पार्टी को 25% वोट और अकाली दल को 31% वोट, 6% वोट पीछे। ये तो कुछ समझ के परे है, बिल्कुल ही समझ के परे है।
Kejriwal is not the first to raise questions about the EVM. BSP Chief Mayawati, after being reduced to just 18 seats in Uttar Pradesh, made similar charges against the BJP. The BSP is now moving court after the Election Commission turned down its petition.
यदि ये लोग उत्तराखंड और उत्तर प्रदेश वाली बेईमानी वोटिंग मशीनों में जो उन्होंने धांधले किए, यदि यही धांधली गोवा, मणिपुर और पंजाब में भी करते तो इनको जवाब देना मुश्किल हो जाता, फिर ये आसानी से पकड़े जाते। हमारी पार्टी ने अब मामले अदालत में ही इस मामले को लेकर जाने का फैसला लिया।
The Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress are now demanding the use of ballot papers in the upcoming civic body polls in the national capital. The BJP, which once ran a campaign against EVMs, is now on the other side of the fence.
The Election Commission has rejected demands for use of ballot paper. It says a new system involving paper trail will be ready by 2019 Lok Sabha elections, but it cannot be implemented any sooner than that. With camera person Pradeep Kumar and Bureau Inputs, Arthur Khan in Delhi for India Today.
Meanwhile, Sanjay Leela Bhansali's new film Padmavati is having a very tough time. First, Sanjay Leela Bhansali was attacked by goons from the Karni Sena in Jaipur in January. Now in Kolhapur in Maharashtra there was another attack. Sets were vandalized, bottles were used as petrol bombs. The entire set was left in a mess. The police so far haven't been able to track who was responsible.
Vandals, arson, physical assault. Sanjay Leela Bhansali's latest period drama, Padmavati, is in the news for all the wrong reasons. Wednesday morning, when the crew reached their set in Kolhapur, this is all they found. Beer bottles turned petrol bombs were used to burn the sets into ash. This included costumes, tents and animal supplies.
कम से कम 40-50 लोग थे, उन्होंने पेट्रोल बम लाए थे, जनरेटर फोड़ा है, टाटा सुमो का नुकसान हुआ है, खाने वाले का गैस सिलेंडर, ये सब नुकसान हो गया है।
This is not the first time that the movie and Bhansali have invited wrath. In January this year, Bhansali was punched by members of the Karni Sena during a shoot in Jaipur for portraying Rani Padmini in bad light. Bhansali has been accused of depicting Rani Padmavati in bad light. He was accused of distorting the historical facts and damaging the Queen's image.
But this incident took place in the night, so we are now giving protection for day and night as well. And our investigation is going on. And we are positive that something will come out of this because a lot of efforts are being taken by the local department.
This issue, meanwhile, has turned political in Maharashtra, with the opposition putting the blame on the BJP Sena government.
सेट महाराष्ट्रात आणण्याचा विचार संजय लीला भन्सालींनी केला. याचा अर्थ महाराष्ट्राच्या सुरक्षा व्यवस्थेवरती, महाराष्ट्राच्या भूमीवरती, महाराष्ट्राच्या पुरोगामित्वावरती त्यांचा विश्वास होता की या महाराष्ट्रात असलं काही घडणार नाही. आणि नेमकं कोल्हापूरला जिथे महाराष्ट्राचा आणि चित्रपटसृष्टीचा ऐतिहासिक संबंध आहे त्याच नगरीत हा सेट जाळला जातो. मला वाटतं सरकार कुठे ना कुठे लक्ष द्यायला कमी पडलं, सरकारची सुरक्षा व्यवस्था कमी पडली.
हा विषय खरा म्हणजे गृह खात्याचा आहे, पण स्वाभाविकपणे अशा प्रकारची घटना दोन्ही बाजूने चित्रपट निर्मात्यांनी सुद्धा चित्र काढत असताना ठराविक मर्यादेच्या पलीकडे कल्पनाशक्ती न वापरता वास्तवाशी जवळ येईल असं केलं पाहिजे.
2 months after the Jaipur attack, wherein noted film director producer Sanjay Leela Bhansali was physically assaulted on the film sets of film Padmavati, it's now in Maharashtra, wherein Bhansali's same film sets were vandalized and set on fire on Tuesday midnight. A fresh case of vandalism has been filed and Bhansali has been moved to a safe location under police cover. Some of the senior crew members, though disturbed, have expressed confidence that the film will be completed without hurting anyone's sentiment, and it's going to be a film that will make people all over the world proud of Rani Padmavati. With Deepak Suryavanshi in Kolhapur, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.